In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool, and one of its valuable features is the ability to add and customize dates in the calendar view, helping you manage your tasks more effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can make the most out of this feature. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the particular space you are working in. A space acts like a container for your related tasks and projects. Once you are in the space, select a specific list. Lists are essential as they help you organize your tasks into manageable sections, making it easier to find and work with them. Now that you have selected a list, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the calendar view. If it's already set up, you can simply click on Calendar in the View options. If it's not there yet, don't worry, you can easily add it. Just click on the Plus View option at the top of the list, select Calendar, and it will be added to your views. This allows you to see your tasks in a calendar layout, providing a clear overview of what's coming up. With your calendar view open, the next thing to do is to focus on specific data within your calendar. As you hover over the dates, you'll notice a plus sign. Clicking on this symbol will enable you to add a new task directly to the date chosen. This feature is beneficial for quick additions, saving you time from having to switch views or windows. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a field will appear for you to type in your task. Here, you'll want to briefly and clearly describe what the task is, providing enough information for you or your team members to understand what needs to be done. A clear description increases efficiency and minimizes confusion down the line. After typing in your task, you'll need to click on the task you just created if you want to make customizations or add additional information. This step is crucial if your task requires more detail, like setting priorities, adding descriptions, or assigning team members. ClickUp provides a comprehensive suite of options for customizing tasks to tailor them to your project's needs. And there you have it. Using custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View is straightforward when you know the steps. Harnessing the power of this feature can significantly enhance how you manage deadlines and monitor project progress. Whether you are managing personal tasks or collaborating with a team, using the calendar view effectively can lead to greater productivity and organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you navigate through managing tasks in ClickUp.